In Altozano, Colima, Mexico, this house defies the obstacles imposed by the uneven terrain. Nomah House, designed by Frenna Arquitectos, is rooted in the very earth that surrounds it and blessed with a privileged view of the majestic volcano in the background. The house transforms into a captivating rhythm of volumes, heights, and textures. Horizontal volumes are interrupted by vertical and structural elements that allow the creation of open spaces without the need for additional support. These open areas, where architecture merges with the surrounding air, breathe and exhale lightness. The central concept of the house is organized around a courtyard, which works like a pause in a poem, a breathing space that embraces the presence of nature. From the beginning, a perotilla tree found its place there, and during the necessary excavation, water features were incorporated alongside the proposed vegetation and the giant rocks gifted by the terrain itself. These fountains, arranged at varying levels and in staggered positions throughout the courtyard, evoke the memory of flowing water and symbolize the adaptation of the House of Volumes to the topography. Water and vegetation subtly blend among the stones, as if nature were gradually, day by day, infiltrating the home's patio. This fusion opens up to a panoramic view of the garden, offering the chance to fully observe the flow of life in harmony with the architecture. The interaction between architectural elements creates a visual symphony. Architecture becomes a constantly transforming work, where volumes intertwine and textures complement each other. Each element acts as a surface that welcomes the entry and exit of natural light, generating shadows and contrasts that enrich the spatial experience. By incorporating intermediate levels, the house offers its inhabitants the ability to contemplate the volcano at all times. In every corner, the imposing presence of the volcano stands out, as a gesture of reverence to nature, constantly reminding us of our connection to the environment and of humanity's smallness in the face of its grandeur. Since the garden is the main priority in this house, bold decisions redefine the conventional distribution of spaces. To fulfill this desire for greenery and nature, the common areas were placed on the lower level, creating a harmonious dialogue between the different architectural elements. The kitchen, dining room, terrace, and a guest bedroom are located on this lower level, ensuring a direct connection to the garden. The chosen materials, such as cement, rammed earth, stone cladding, and microcement, harmonize with the surroundings. Each one was carefully selected to integrate with the soil of Colima, promoting an organic fusion between human craft and the surrounding landscape. Wood brings warmth and a welcoming feel present in the ceiling beams, the railing, the furniture, and the soft, inviting lighting. The contrast is intensified by the presence of black ironwork, which emerges as a bold counterpoint to the earthy palette of rammed earth and concrete. The iron reflects the happenings of the surroundings on the glass, capturing the essence of nature and the volcano, blending into the architecture itself. The raw texture of the floors and stone-covered walls pays tribute to the volcano's surface, an iconic symbol of the region. These rough and robust elements add a tactile dimension to the spaces, inviting the residents to connect with the geological history and natural beauty of the place. Nomah House is a tangible testament to the human capacity to create spaces that transcend mere function and become places of connection and contemplation. A constant reminder of the importance of honoring the beauty of nature and allowing it to intertwine with our lives, enriching our existence.